Okay, children, let's see the next exercise. Look at the picture. Look at the picture and spell the CK word. Okay, we have to look at the picture and we want to spell the CK word. You know the spelling or the word for the all picture. We haven't seen already, isn't it, children? We have seen already. Okay, just tell what is this. You are going to tell me, I am not going to tell you. Just tell me what is this. Yes, this is tick. Tick. Okay, just tell me the spelling for t. 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 E. K. K means C-K. Tick. T-I-C-K. Tick. Okay, let's move to this. Here, see the one boy is licking the ice cream, isn't it? In Corona time, you're not used to eat ice cream, isn't it? But see, this boy is eating a ice cream. Okay, just say the what is he is doing? Action, lick. Okay, lick means CK. It's end with CK. Just tell me the first two word. L. Yes, L. I. C. K. Lick. Okay, just move to the next. This one. This is, yes, this is brick. 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 B sound, isn't it coming? B sound. B. R. I. C. K. Brick. B. R. I. C. K. Brick. Okay, let's see this picture. He is kicking the ball, isn't it? Kick. K. I. C. K. Kick. Okay, let's see the next picture. What is this? This is rock. Rock. Okay, just write the spelling for rock. R-O-C-K. Rock. Okay, just see here. What is this? This is lock. L-O-C-K. Lock. Okay, well, just tell me what is this? This is stick. Yes, T I C K. Stick. Okay, just tell me next. Look at the picture and tell me what is this. This is weak. Weak means the boy is weak, isn't it? He got a fever, then he got a weak. W-E-A-K. Weak. Okay, this is tick. T-I-C-K. Tick. This is lick. L-I-C-K. Lick. This is brick. B-R-I-C-K. Brick. This is kick. K-I-C-K. Kick. This is rock. R-O-C-K. Rock. This is lock. L-O-C-K. Lock. This is stick. Yes, T-I-C-K. Stick. This is weak. W-E-A-K. Weak. Okay, children, we so far seen about the word which end with CK. We haven't read the spelling for the word end with CK. Okay, tell me the pronunciation of weak. Yes, tell me the pronunciation of weak. CK. Just tell me the sound of the CK. K. Okay, but see here in weak there are not a C and K sound has been common. This is a weak. A sound coming along together. So we does not write here. Okay, so remaining things are correct. This is a wrong one. Okay, one more time I am telling children, the sound of CK is K. Okay, if CK comes together, we have to pronounce it like K. lock, tick, brick, lock, stick, rock. Okay children, did you understand? Let's move to the next one. Okay.